Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a note on a whiteboard in a meeting on the Zoom app. So if you are presenting something, for example, this is the first attempt and I would like to make another note, you can go here on the left side and select this little card shaped icon or paper below the T. You just tap on it and you can select its color. Then you can tap on that, and let's say this one is the second attempt, and I can move it here or I can make it bigger. And this is where I have these notes. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.